llamo Joaquín Baker. Estoy entrevistando para una oportunidad de ser una cantante para su compañía de discos. Necesito este trabajo porque quiero ser famosa. Soy muy bien cantante. Me gusta cantar. Voy a cantar una canción que hoy en día para mostraros el lado más ligero de Joaquín Baker.
I'm not surprised, not everything lasts. I've broken my heart so many times I stopped keeping track. Talk myself in, I talk myself out. I get all worked up, then I let myself down. I tried so very hard not to lose it. I came up with a million excuses. I thought of every possibility. I know someday that it'll all turn out. You'll make me work so we can work it out. And I promise you, kid, that I'll give so much more than I get. I just haven't met you yet.